Hi scholars, welcome back. This is going to be ELA Lesson 2. So we're going to go over two things today, so it shouldn't be too long of a video. We're going to be going over inflectional endings, and we're going to be reading our next story where we're going to learn about butterflies and their life cycle. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Okay. All right, we are connecting. So we're going to start with inflectional endings because, put that back. Because I want to save the reading for a second since it's just a little longer. So word parts go at the end of the word and they change the meaning of the word. And sometimes they add an extra syllable to the word. For example, the word endings that I'm going to put right here on the board, ing, ed, s, and es are some examples of word endings. So the ending ed added to the end of the verb shows that the action took place in the past. So took place in the past. So if I have a word like jump, jump is happening now. But if I have the word jumped, it happened in the past. So jump happened now. Jumped happened in the past. ing shows an action is happening right now. So if I am jumping, that means I am jumping right now. And then the ending s and es show the nouns are more than one. So for example, if I do multiple jumps, I did 2 jumps or more. If I did 1 jump, I would just say jump. So I'm going to write some words right here and we're going to talk about them. So we have the word talk. We have the word talking. We have the word talk. And we have the word talks. Sorry, not the word talk. The word talked. So talk is the OG. That's the original. And then these are all inflectional endings. Oops. These are all inflectional endings. So talking means I'm talking to you right now. I'm talking now. Talked happened in the past. So I talked yesterday. Yesterday is a past word. And then talks is multiple. So I can say, I have 2 talks a day with my cat. That means I talk to my cat more than once. So I have 2 talks with my cat. Maybe the cat jumps on the table when he's not supposed to, so I have to talk to him twice about that. So I have 2 talks about that. All right. So this is going to be what you're going to write on your seesaw is I'm going to write a couple words on the board and you're going to underline the root word and circle the ending. So I have the word swims. I have the word talking. I have the word talked. And I have the word talks. So you're going to underline the word like I did with, underline the root word like I did with swim, and then you're going to circle the ending. So the ending S is an inflectional ending, and you're going to do that for number 1, number 2, and number 3. But don't submit the seesaw yet because there might be something else you have to do. Now we're going to transition to our reading. We're going to learn about, oh, go back. We already learned about bears. Now we're going to learn about from caterpillar to butterfly. See if I can zoom in a little bit. There we go. All right. So what is, first thing I want you to look at is what is the title of the diagram on page 205? What is the title of the diagram on page 205? And I want you to think about, what does that show? What does that diagram title show? I'm going to give you a couple seconds to think about it. So the title is the butterfly life cycle, as seen here. So now it shows how a butterfly begins and develops into a caterpillar, builds a chrysalis, and becomes a butterfly. So we're going to talk about that in a second, but we're going to go ahead and start reading. I want you to think about in your head, why is the chrysalis important in the butterfly's life cycle? All right, we're going to go ahead and start now. From caterpillar to butterfly. A butterfly is not a mammal. It does not have babies or feed milk to its young. A butterfly is an insect. It lays eggs. Look at the photo. Can you tell which is the parent and which is the offspring? Probably not. The parent is the butterfly and its baby is the caterpillar. The parent and the offspring do not look alike right now. However, when the caterpillar is grown, it will look like its parent. So now we're going to look at that butterfly life cycle we were talking about. Egg. The adult butterfly lays an egg on a milkweed leaf. So it lays it on a leaf. Larva. After 3 or 4 days, a tiny caterpillar comes out of the egg. Caterpillars are a kind of larva. The caterpillar eats its shell for food. Then it turns into a full caterpillar. For about 2 weeks, the caterpillar eats leaves and grows bigger. And then it gets into the chrysalis stage. The caterpillar forms a shell around itself, and the shell is called a chrysalis. And finally, an adult. 2 weeks later, an adult butterfly comes out of the chrysalis, and it will lay an egg on a leaf, and the cycle will continue. So, what is the chrysalis? That is your next question to write on your seesaw. What is the chrysalis? All right, if you need extra time, go ahead and watch the video, and there might be another question. I'll let you know at the end. Okay. All right, go ahead and pause because we're going to start and go to the next page. It takes a little while to load. I apologize. The Wi-Fi is not the best in this area of the house. Well, that's kind of funny. I didn't realize this reading was so short. That's all right though. So we're actually finished. So I hope you guys have a good weekend, a good day, and I will see you in class on Tuesday because we don't have class on Monday. Or if you're watching this after Tuesday, I'll see you on Wednesday or Thursday. All right, you guys have a good day, and I'll see you later. Bye.